Welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today's video will cover configuring a usernet when launching a deployment. A usernet allows your virtual machine to access a network outside Concert. This is in contrast to the CONS3RT, which is used for internal purposes. To configure your usernet, set about launching a deployment, and on the Resources page, select Edit under Network Interfaces. Here you will be able to add a network interface or edit a pre-existing one. You can configure the IP address to be either automatic or manual, and you can toggle whether or not this usernet is your primary network. You can also add another usernet, or if you feel so inclined, you can remove one. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features these videos and articles which cover similar topics, often in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links can be found in the video description or in the upper right-hand corner. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.